Hello and welcome back to the White Coat Classroom. In this module, we would be studying about atypical thoracic vertebrae. We have 5 atypical thoracic vertebrae. That is the first vertebra, the 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th vertebra. So let's start our discussion with the first thoracic vertebra. In the center I have is first thoracic vertebra. This is first thoracic vertebra. On this side I have is a cervical vertebra. And on this side, I have is a typical thoracic vertebra for the sake of comparison. Starting with the body of vertebra, what we can clearly appreciate is in a typical thoracic vertebra, the body is heart-shaped. So over here, the body is heart-shaped. While in case of first thoracic vertebra, the side-to-side measurement is more than the antero-posterior measurement, which is similar to a cervical vertebra. So in this specimen of cervical vertebra also, we can clearly appreciate the side-to-side measurement is more than the antero-posterior measurement. The next feature which we'll be comparing is the spine. So here I have is a typical thoracic vertebra and this is the first thoracic vertebra. We can clearly appreciate the spine of first thoracic vertebra is a thick spine. Comparing it with this one, this is a thin spine. The next thing is the spine of first thoracic vertebra lies horizontally, while that of typical thoracic vertebra is directed downwards. After the spine, let's appreciate the next feature, which is nothing but the superior vertebral notch. So over here we have is a superior vertebral notch, which is a deep notch compared to typical thoracic vertebrae. So in this specimen of first thoracic vertebra, what we are appreciating is a deep superior vertebral notch. Now let's compare it with a typical thoracic vertebra. So here we have is a typical thoracic vertebra, and in this we can clearly appreciate the superior vertebral notch is not that deep, it's a very shallow notch. Now let's compare it with a cervical vertebra. So in a cervical vertebra, we can appreciate the superior vertebral notch is a deep notch. So just similar to a cervical vertebra, the first thoracic vertebra also has a deep superior vertebral notch. And that's it about the first thoracic vertebra. Quickly summarizing about the first thoracic vertebra, its body resembles a cervical vertebra as its transverse diameter is more than the antero-posterior diameter. The next feature is it has a deep superior vertebral notch. The third feature is about the spine. The spine is thick in case of first thoracic vertebra. Along with that, it is horizontal and it is directed backwards, while it is directed backwards and downwards also in case of typical thoracic vertebra.